Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be installing carbon fiber side view mirror covers and door pulls on my Tesla Cybertruck. Thank you CTmods for sending these products to me for the install and review. Wasting too much time, let's take a look at the products and get them installed on the truck. Alright guys, here you go. I took the liberty taking everything out of the box to save some time. So what we have here again, these are real carbon fiber side mirror covers. If you flip them over, what you will see is a double-sided 3M tape. So the install is going to be super simple. Okay, they are very light. Again, this is real carbon fiber, not fake plastic. And these are door pulls. They are marked. So if you look closely right here, hopefully this can focus, you'll see FL, so front left. And same thing on the other side, so RR right rear, and so on and so forth. They also do send you a couple of adhesive promoter wipes, and that's really it. So again, should be really straightforward install and really quick. So let's go ahead and get everything put on the truck. Alright guys, first things first, let's get the wipe the surface area. I'm going to go ahead and do the same exact thing on the rear, not to waste the wipe. Super simple. Before we get this thing installed, let's just get a rough estimate where it's going to sit. Okay. Make sure you're able to adhere to both sides properly. So move it around a little bit until you find a good spot for it. Okay, once you identify it, remember it, and let's go ahead and remove this red backing tape. Okay, and get it placed on the door. And that's it. So let's go ahead and try it really quickly. Alright. Works both ways. Opening and closing. So, alright. Just go ahead and grab it. Push it. And that's it. And for the rear, same thing. Just measure the location. Alright. Looks just about right. Let's go ahead and get everything removed. Press firmly on both sides. And that's it. So, closed and open. Alright, so very simple, very straightforward. So let's go ahead and do the passenger side. Alright guys, the door handles are done. Let's go ahead and do the mirror covers. First things first, let's go ahead and wipe down the mirror. I'm using part alcohol, part water. That way it removes any oily residue. All right, because there is a adhesive right on the inside, make sure you take care of all the areas that's going to have adhesive touching it. Okay, what I did is I removed the top adhesive cover as well as the back one, but I left the bottom ones partially on. That way when I snap the top on, and I need to kind of move it down a little bit, these two pieces will not be grabbing and just sticking before I need them to actually stick to the mirror. So that's basically it. Just kind of have them hanging down a little bit so you can grab them once they're in place and pull it out. So pay attention to that. All right, push it down nice and firm and back, pull these things out. All right. Same thing here. I'll just go ahead and wipe it down. Make sure it's nice and clean. Okay. Okay, guys, so as you can see, the install was very simple. It lined up really nicely right where the gap is on the stock mirror. So I just tried it a couple of times, opening and closing the door, as well as waiting for the mirror to fold automatically. And yeah, it looks great. So let's go ahead and do the passenger side. Alright guys, so that was a quick and easy install of carbon fiber mirror covers and door handles on my Cybertruck. Again, thank you CTmods for sending them to me for review and install. For those of you who are interested, I am going to leave the link down below to the products I just installed, as well as a discount code. As always, if this video was useful to some of you, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys soon. Take care.